Hello guys, welcome back to Chubby Chemistry Studies, and my name is Chubby, but people call me Chubby, and I'm a medical student in University of Lagos. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about something very important, that is physics JAMB exam. I know most of you are scared of physics. You want to go for medicine, you want to go for engineering, you want to go for biochemistry, you want to go for other courses, but you are scared of physics. You will be like, I always forget my physics formulas. Sometimes most of you will be like, sir, anytime I see a particular equation, I will just forget the formula to use. I don't know how to go about remembering my formulas and everything. So calm down, because in this video, I'll be introducing you guys to something I think may be helpful to you guys that will be taking JAMB, and that will be taking physics in your JAMB 2025. Okay, so number one, I want to talk about those of you that are always scared of physics. Physics is actually very simple, but the thing there is you have to be calm anytime you are studying it. Don't study physics with fear. Once you are scared of a particular subject, to understand that subject will now be difficult. So you have to make peace with your physics, like be at peace with your physics before you'll be able to understand your physics. Okay, now let me tell you guys something very important. But before I tell you guys this thing, make sure you have liked this video. It's very important, and then click on that red subscribe button. That is very important. Click on that red subscribe button. You're not paying anything to subscribe. So let me tell you guys this thing now. I know you guys will be like, sir, physics exam is always very difficult, and they will just come and fill the physics exam with calculations. Now let me tell you guys something. In your JAMB exam, for your English will have 60 questions, while the remaining 3 will have just 40 questions. So for that physics exam, do you know that out of that 40 questions, the ones that will be calculation may just be maybe like 15 to 18. Most of, like, higher percentage of the questions in that in your physics exam will be from non-calculation, while maybe like 15 to 20 questions will now be calculation. Yeah, so you don't need to start to be solving only calculation. You need to also study your physics textbook. That's why some people will be like, sir, should I just be solving past questions, also should I also be studying my physics textbook? You need to be studying your physics textbook as well, because most of the questions in your JAMB exam will be non-calculation. Most of you don't know this, but I'm telling you guys right now. So don't be scared. Don't be like, I prefer non-calculation to calculation. Not that you will not see calculations, but calculations may just be maybe like 15 to 20 questions. You understand? Okay, so let me start by introducing you guys to this. If you have seen my previous video, I might have talked about this thing, because I know most of you always forget your formulas. So in this book, I wrote out the important formulas I think may be helpful to those of you that always forget your formulas. So the way I wrote I wrote things in my book, like I'll write out the topic. Like for this page 1 now, I have my vectors. I also have linear motion. Then here I have my projectile. Here I have gravitation, and here I have a circular motion. So under this, I'll write out the topic, then write out the important formulas I think are under that topic. So that's it. I actually wanted to start selling this book, but I said, to what essence will that be when we were selling this book to you guys be? So I'm like, let me just give it to you guys free. So if actually you need this formula book, just chat me up on this number, and I will send you a PDF of this, my formula book. I think it's just 5 pages. It's not much. It's something you can just learn. So how do you use this book? Before you go to bed every day, just bring out your phone, because obviously what I'll send to you is a PDF and not my hard copy. You understand? So just bring out your phone, go through those formulas. Okay, maybe you say today I want to learn all the formulas under projectile. Then for that night, just try to learn those formulas that are under projectile. Maybe tomorrow again you say, I want to learn all the formulas under equilibrium of forces. Then you learn all the formulas under equilibrium of forces. The next day again you'll be like, let me just learn all the formulas under heat transfer. Then you learn all the formulas under heat transfer. That's how you keep on doing it till the day of your JAMB exam. You understand? So my advice to you all that will be taking physics in your JAMB 2025, make sure you study your textbook. Use your textbook to study, because there will be 25 there may be 20 to 25 questions that are not calculation. Then 15 to 20 will be calculations. Hope you understand. So don't just face only your past question. Past question is very important, but you also need to study your textbook too. Hope you understand. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to click on that red subscribe button, and also don't forget to share to your friends.